I will talk about the New York Mellon Bank, folks. Basically, it's a very traditional and solid bank in the market that presented its balance sheet on October 11th. Basically, the surprise came in at over 6% above market expectations. In numbers, this means that the market estimate was $1.42 per share increased to $1.52 per share. It came in 10 cents above what the market expected for the Seoul company. When we look at the financial part here, what do we have? We have a revenue growth of approximately 5.8% year over year. In the previous quarter, we had a growth of 2.2%, and a year ago, we had a growth of 1.4%. Basically, we are on this very good upward trend, folks. When we look at the company's net profit, 1.2 billion is well in line with the previous quarter and 20% above last year. And when we look at earnings per share, it's $1.50 compared to $1.52 in the last quarter and $1.22 a year ago. Basically, it is indeed a very solid company, and its financials show this situation to us. The big question for those who like dividends is that today we have a dividend of 2.50%. 2.50% too of earnings per year, presenting $0.47 per share. Since we have a stock at $76, it's an incredible upward trend, folks. Basically, since it reversed its trend in November 2023, nothing has shaken the shares of this bank. A 68% increase in this. Hold on. When we filter and look only at the months of July and up to September, which is the quarter we are talking about, the bank showed an increase of 18% and is currently at a 25% increase, folks. It is truly a stock that is on a very strong upward trend and linear. Entering now carries a risk. Why? Because we are quite far from the averages. 11% deviation from what we call a fair price for the moment, okay? So it can make this very low movement. The stock is indeed at what we call its historical peak, meaning it has never been so highly valued. At $76, it is important to know that a correction of approximately 10% is possible in the coming weeks. The upward trend and stability are good, but entering now carries this additional risk due to the stock being very expensive based on current price averages. So if you are considering investing in New York Mellon, be cautious. If you are positioned, congratulations, you must be there with a good financial profit. This whole upward movement seems to indicate, or rather at the moment, the buying pressure makes us believe that it is likely to continue. Okay? The big question is just the current moment. It may indeed be that we have a correction down to the averages.